this is Carol from Jingying Machinery. Now, I will introduce our vertical shaft sand making machine for you. You can see this is the sand making machine, VSI sand making machine. I will show you the details. Let's take this one for example. The model of 5X series 1145 model. There are two electric engines, this side and this side. For both sides of the motor, there are 6 sets of the belts connect with the motor and the main bearing. There is a roller crushing the motor will drive the bearing moving. Then the sand making machine will work. It is a huge body. The max fitting size is 30 millimeter, and the final crest sand size is below half millimeter, and the capacity is about 80 to 100 tons per hour. For this whole production line for sand making, it is better for you to install one set of jaw crusher. This is our sand maker. If you have any demands, please contact Carol. I will give you the best offer. This is Carol from. This is the cooling device of the sand making machine. This is the distribution cabinet of the sand making machine.